Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is arithmetic operators. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos, you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is the first topic in Python operators. Before getting into arithmetic operators, let's understand what is Python operators and its various types. Python operators are standard symbols used to perform operations on values and variables. Let's take an example, 5 plus 3. Here we are adding two values, which is an arithmetic operation. The value that the operator operates on is called the operand. Here 5 and 3 are operand and the plus symbol is the operator. These are the different types of operators: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, membership operators, and identity operators. This video is only about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. with numeric values. Listed here are the arithmetic operators. Let's understand each operators one by one with examples. Addition. We are adding two operands using the plus operator, so the output of 5 plus 3 is 8. Subtraction. Here the left operand is subtracted from the right operand using minus operator. The symbol is a hyphen. The output of 5 minus 3 is 2. Multiplication. We are multiplying two operand 5 and 3 using asterisk symbol as operator. Unlike in math, an X symbol is used for multiplication, but in programming, asterisk is used. The output of 5 into 3 is 15. Division. Dividing left operand 5 by the right operand 3. The output of 5 divided by 3 is 1.666. Forward slash is used as operator. The output will always be a float value in case of division. Modulus is a remainder of the division of left operand 5 by the right operand 3. Percentage symbol is used as an operator for modulus. Dividing 5 by 3, we get the remainder as 2. So the output of 5%3 is 2. Exponent. Left operand 5 raised to the power of right operand 3. Double asterisk is the operator for exponent. So the output of 5 double asterisk 3 or 5 to the power of 3 is 125. Floor division. It is same as division, but the output from floor division is not a float value. It truncates the decimal part and result is a whole number. Double forward slash is the operator used for floor division. For example, the output of 5 double forward slash 3 is equal to 1 instead of 1.666. Unary plus. It has only one operand and the operator is at the left side. It indicates positive value. However, numbers are positive without the plus symbol. For example, plus 5 is equal to 5. Unary minus. Same as unary plus, unary minus is prefixed to the operand. It makes the operand value negative. For example, minus 5. Let's see example on unary operators combined with arithmetic plus minus operators. In this example, the operator inside the parenthesis is unary operator and the operator outside the parenthesis is arithmetic operator. This is calculated just like how we solve a mathematical equation. In first example, the output becomes 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. In second example, the output becomes 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Similarly, in third example, the output becomes 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. In fourth example, the output becomes 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. We can also write it without parentheses. Here we have two operators beside each other. So the first operator is arithmetic operator and second one is unary operator. And it produces the same result produced by the equation with parentheses. Let's create variables x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Now I am adding two numbers 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now subtracting x from y, so 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Multiplying x and y, so 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 divided by 3 is equal to 1.666. 5 modulus 3 is equal to 2, which is a remainder when 5 is divided by 3. 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 125. 5 floor division by 3 is equal to 1, which is a whole number after truncating the decimal part. A number with unary plus does not make any difference. Plus 5 is equal to 5. A number with unary minus will change it to a negative number. Let's do some arithmetic operations using unary operators. This expression is equivalent to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. This is equivalent to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Again, this is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Here 5 minus minus 3 becomes 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. Let's do the same without any parentheses. In this expression, first operator is arithmetic operator and second one is a unary operator. So 5 plus plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 minus plus 3 is equal to 2. 5 minus minus 3 is equal to 8. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.